Publication 334, Tax Guide for Small Business. Publication 334 is a comprehensive guide provided by the IRS to help small business owners understand their federal tax responsibilities. Here is a detailed explanation of the key topics covered. Introduction. Purpose: to provide information on tax laws and reporting requirements for small businesses, particularly those using Schedule C, Form 1040. Who must file? Filing requirements. Criteria for when a sole proprietor or self-employed individual must file a tax return. Self-employment tax. Overview of who must pay self-employment tax and how to calculate it. Accounting methods. Cash method. Income is reported when received and expenses are deducted when paid. Accrual method. Income is reported when earned and expenses are deducted when incurred. Hybrid method. Combination of cash and accrual methods. Income. Types of business. Income. Gross receipts, returns, and allowances, cost of goods sold, other income. Reporting business. Income. How to report income on Schedule C. Expenses. Business expenses. Necessary and ordinary expenses for operating a business. Deductible expenses. Advertising. Costs to advertise the business. Car and truck expenses. Deducting vehicle expenses related to business use. Depreciation. Deducting the cost of business assets over time. Employee pay. Deducting wages and other compensation. Insurance. Business-related insurance premiums. Interest. Business loan interest. Legal and professional fees. Costs for legal and professional services. Rent expense. Rent paid for property used in the business. Taxes. Various taxes that can be deducted. Travel, meals, and entertainment, deducting business travel and meal expenses. Utilities. Costs of utilities for business operations. Cost of goods sold, COGS. Calculation. Steps to calculate COGS, including inventory at the beginning and end of the year, purchases, cost of labor, and materials. Reporting. How to report COGS on Schedule C. Figuring net profit or loss. Net profit or loss. How to calculate net profit or loss by subtracting total expenses from total income. Schedule C. Overview of completing Schedule C to report profit or loss from business. Self-employment tax. Calculation. How to calculate self-employment tax using Schedule SE, Form 1040. Deduction. Deducting the employer equivalent portion of self-employment tax. Business use of your home, home office. Deduction. Criteria for claiming a home office deduction. Calculation methods. Simplified and regular methods for calculating home office expenses. Form 8829, reporting business use of home expenses, business credits, available credits, overview of business tax credits such as the Small Business Healthcare Tax Credit. Claiming credits. How to claim business credits on tax returns. Record keeping. Importance. Keeping accurate and complete records for tax purposes. Types of records: receipts, invoices, bank statements, and other documents. How long to keep records. General guidelines on record retention periods. Sample returns. Examples. Sample filled out forms to illustrate how to complete Schedule C and other related forms. Additional resources. Publications and forms. References to other IRS publications and forms relevant to small business owners. Additional references. IRS Publication 334 for comprehensive details and examples. IRS Forms and Instructions for forms related to small business tax reporting. This covers the essential elements of Publication 334, focusing on factual information without personal opinions. For more detailed guidance, refer to the full text of IRS Publication 334.